Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the Prawn Butter Masala, delectable prawns in a rich and creamy gravy. To begin, take about 200 grams of shelled and deveined large prawns. Marinate them with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan, add the prawns and cook until they begin to curl. Remove and keep aside. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, add in 2 tablespoons of butter and allow it to melt. Add in 1 medium onion finely chopped and saute until translucent. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies and saute for a minute or two. Add in 1 cup of freshly pureed tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree for the color. Saute until the tomatoes are cooked. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera and 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania. Mix well and saute until you can see the oil appearing on the sides. Add in half cup of cream. Mix well. Add in the prawns and mix until they are well coated. Add in 1 teaspoon of crushed kasoori methi and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix well. Cover it with a lid and simmer for a few minutes until the oil appears on the top. The prawn butter masala is ready to serve. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and serve it with lachha parathas or naans. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.